Hey everyone, it's been a while. I've been really busy lately, but I am back. So I hope you enjoyed these easy DIYs.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
This first one, I'm using the famous garden fence from Dollar Tree and a burner cover. You guys probably already know these always come in a 2-pack. This one's the larger one, and then it comes with another small one. So as you can see, I've used it before. I love to recycle things. I'm going to just finish painting this side of it with the spray paint. It's in Sand Smoky Beige by Rust-Oleum. I'm going to start cutting it, the part that I want. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to use the top part. Whatever area you cut off from the fence, you just want to make sure it's as even as possible. That way we can glue it. I would have liked to glue it on the outside, but you really can't do that because it's not straight. So I have to glue it on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and add a good size amount of hot glue and start gluing it. Lean it as best as you can onto the side wall of the burner cover. I grabbed a second fence and cut off 2 areas of that one, and I'm going to continue on with this part and glue it, and once I have it all glued, then I'll just cut off the excess. For this next one, I'm using this wall adhesive from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and go outside and spray paint it with that same paint. So here it is, all spray painted. I'm actually going to use this Dollar Tree box and use this to glue this around it instead. It's just going to be a little easier than using a glass vase or glass candle holder that I was going to use. So now I'm just going to take the rest and continue on to do this last little area. Continue, I'll take off the sticky area because I could just stick it on with this sticky part of it, but it's not gonna stay, so that's why I decided to remove it and then add my own hot glue. This one, I have 2 of these wooden, what are they called, wood trays from Dollar Tree, and I have these giant craft sticks from Walmart. I'm going to use 4 of them. What I'm going to do is glue this together, kind of like a 2-tiered decor piece, and then once I figure out the color I want to paint it, then I'll paint it after. So what I'm going to do is lay this one like that. I need to remove the stickers. I'm going to lay it flat, and that way I can glue these. So I'm gonna definitely cut the ends off, and then I'm gonna add 2 on each side so they can stay in place.
It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing.
Now I'm gonna take the scrap pieces of my fins, and I'm going to use this side. So I'm gonna cut off this area.
It's just the 2 of us, just the 2 of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know.
So I grabbed a different scrap piece of my fins. That's why I saved these, because I like to use them for like making a little design like this. And I removed this piece. Now I'm going to just see how I'm gonna glue it onto this, just to give it a little more detail. So I need to remove these 2 pieces sticking out. That way I can glue that just like that.
Without knowing she did, but I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of.
Now I'm going to use this little piece and glue it on the back.
I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close.
Okay, so now I cut off these 2 pieces. I'm going to glue 1 on each side. So you just kind of want to play around with the fence, and you can make so many things out of it.
I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else, and I will have to let her go. She will never know, never know.
Now I'm gonna cover the stars just with some more of these giant craft sticks. I just cut out a piece to fit right here. Now I'm just gonna take a black paint and paint the whole tray area and the sides black.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.